For Jack's viewing pleasure, watch him getting it in.
Y'all need to understand this is in a motherfucking 16-foot Penske rental truck with a trailer on the back
with a car,
with a camera on it. So y'all need to pay attention, and your boy is doing about 67 right now. So if you don't believe me, there it is.
And there we go.
So any of y'all think y'all can do it, get at me.
Jack's gonna love seeing this. From a passenger perspective.
Not too terrifying. Just think of it as a roller coaster ride without the belts.
And that's the truth, y'all.